bike was created by a designer from India, and it looks more like a vehicle from an outer space saga than Tempest CRT-1. According to its creators, the unusual appearance of this bike is meant to imitate the first racing motorcycles and should attract the attention of potential buyers. But this is not just a matter of beautiful design. The similarity with old models gave this bicycle a long, soft seat that can fit 2 people at once. However, the feet of the passenger will be hanging in the air, since the engineers did not provide a stand for them. The electric bike also has other attributes of an old motorcycle: a tank, the front suspension and fork, and a large headlamp. The 30-amp motor controller, the wiring and the power converter are hidden in the tank. The sturdy 34-kilogram bicycle frame is made of aeronautical chrome-plated steel. The LED lights and headlights are powered by the main battery. In addition, this vehicle is equipped with front and rear hydraulic brakes that provide effective braking. The 816-watt removable lithium-ion battery weighs 4 kilos and can be fully charged in 5 hours. As in many similar bikes, it's possible to charge mobile devices via USB. The bike can reach a maximum speed of 50 km per hour, and one fully charged battery allows the vehicle to travel up to 50 km. In order to cover larger distances, you can purchase an additional battery. The cost of this electric bike with a nice vintage touch is $3,300. The Stealth P7. Unlike most electric bikes, this one was designed not only for driving on simple bike paths within the city, but it can also cope well with off-road conditions. Moreover, it can be used to perform various tricks like jumping or balancing on one wheel while in motion, for example. This bike weighs 29 kilos and its maximum speed is 45 kilometers per hour. The lithium-ion battery takes 3 hours to fully recharge, and it allows the biker to cover from 100 to 150 kilometers, depending on the model of the bicycle. The vehicle is equipped with a special gadget placed in the frame to monitor the status of the bike and the level of battery power. The bicycle is available in 4 colors: black, grey, red and white. It costs either $4,300 or $5,100, depending on its battery capacity. Vectron. This electric bicycle with a folding frame is designed for the fast-paced life in a modern metropolis. According to its creators, the bike can be assembled and disassembled in just 10 seconds, and can be easily carried on the metro or on buses when folded. It is noteworthy that even when the e-bike is unassembled, you can still use its wheels. In other words, it can still be rolled around so that you don't have to carry it. This bicycle is equipped with a 36-watt motor placed directly under the pedals. The dimensions of the bike are 40.9 by 83.8 by 63.5 centimeters, and its weight is a little over 22 kilos. Thanks to its special design, this vehicle is suitable for people of any height, since the seat and the handlebar can be adjusted according to the owner's parameters. The cost of this folding bike is almost $3,000. Sit-Go. Despite the unusual and even slightly ridiculous appearance, this vehicle is a fully functional electric bike. It folds in 3 and fits almost anywhere, whether it's the trunk of a taxi or the space under your desk. It is perfect for people whose height is between 155 to 195 centimeters, but the main distinctive feature of this device is that it can be charged not only from a power outlet, but also from a car cigarette lighter. This way, the owner of this bike can easily avoid traffic jams by simply parking their car and using a more compact and maneuverable vehicle. This bike weighs only 20 kilos and is designed for people whose weight does not exceed 120 kilos. The maximum speed it can develop is 25 kilometers per hour, and one battery charge will be enough to cover from 35 to 40 kilometers. The battery takes from 3 to 5 hours to fully recharge. And another advantage of this bike is the built-in power bank for charging gadgets and the reliable smartphone support on the handlebar. This means of transportation will cost its future owner $700. Curvelo. Even though lowrider bikes are usually more comfortable, they still cause a lot of inconvenience to their owners with its clumsy long chain system. The Norwegian inventor Mark Laborgne decided to eliminate this problem by using a transmission system integrated to the front wheel. It operates on the same principle as a gearbox and is equipped with two common bike handles. In addition, the creator of this steel-framed bike added a comfortable chair with a high back to it, which makes riding it a very comfortable experience. Moreover, the lack of chains will guarantee that the rider's trousers will never get stained with grease. At the moment, there are two versions of this bike, a classic two-wheeled version and a three-wheeled one with some luggage space behind the seat. Any of these bicycles can be purchased for $3,200 each. Quala bike. This electric bike can be considered one of the lightest ones on the market, since it weighs only 14 kilos. Another positive point of this bicycle is its foldable frame that can be assembled and disassembled in just 3 steps. One battery charge is enough to cover a distance of up to 50 kilometers at a moderate speed, or up to 25 kilometers at maximum speed. The bike was designed to be able to climb slopes with an angle of up to 18 degrees. The bicycle is equipped with a small display on the handlebar, and is available in 4 colors and will cost potential buyers $721. The A-Linker. This is not an ordinary bicycle. Its distinctive feature is the complete lack of pedals, since it was designed exclusively for walking. This bike was designed so that people in any condition are not left without movement. It was meant to help the elderly, people with chronic pain, and those who are recovering from serious operations to live a full life. It can also be used by people who like walking in general. On this bike, the rider sits in an upright position and remains at the same level with their standing companions. The weight of the person is held by the seat, which relieves the feeling of tension in the lower part of the body. The feet remain on the ground, which assures the stability and safety of the rider. This unusual bike is available in 3 sizes, depending on the height of the seat, and in only one color, yellow. The maximum safe speed that can be developed is 5 km per hour, and the maximum carrying capacity is 120 kilos. The bike itself weighs 12 kilos, and its length is 71 centimeters. This means of transportation costs $2,600. Urban GC1. It might be hard to believe, but this bike is made entirely of recycled paper. According to its creators, they sought to create a completely environmentally friendly transport, in which its owners could move freely through the city. In order to protect the paper structure from getting wet during rainfall, the bike is covered with a dense layer of recycled polyester. This vehicle comes with an environmentally friendly cover for your smartphone, and comes in a specially designed package that can be reused or turned into something useful. However, the creators have not decided into what exactly. The bike is available in 9 different colors. The cost of this unusual Mexican invention is $118. RAHT Racer. An inventor from Minneapolis created this unique means of transportation, which is a hybrid of a bicycle and an electric vehicle. It is equipped both with an electric motor and with a pedal drive, which can work either separately or simultaneously, complementing each other. As a result of this combination, this hybrid bicycle can reach the maximum speed of 160 km per hour, which allows it to even compete with conventional cars. This vehicle has a streamlined body made of composite carbon materials. However, instead of having 4 wheels as a conventional car, this bike has only 3, which greatly increases its maneuverability. The batteries allow it to travel up to 80 kilometers on one full charge, but the use of the pedal generator significantly increases this distance. A typical adult can maintain a stable speed of up to 48 kilometers per hour just by pedaling in a moderate rhythm. The cabin of this unusual bicycle is equipped with airbags and seat belts, 2 seats, a luggage compartment, and even an onboard computer. The cost of this vehicle is $5,000. Rhinoceros Future Bike Concept. The concept of this futuristic bike was created by a designer from India, and it looks more like a vehicle from an outer space saga than an ordinary bike that will ride the roads of the Earth. Its streamlined form clearly suggests that the device will be able to develop high speeds, and the seating position hints that the driver will have to lean towards the handlebar, as in a race bicycle. The spokeless wheels are equipped with some additional lights along its contour. And as we already know, many of the most original and crazy concepts have eventually been made into reality. Perhaps this ultra-modern bicycle will not be an exception.
What will be if we wrap you round and round with Scotch tape? Throw the whole package into a microwave oven. Roast it quite well. Feed that to a giant hungry whale. After that, drown you in the ocean. Then bury you alive, send you into space, then let you drop back down to Earth straight to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. How about this? There's no time to explain. Press the button. You can't resist subscribing to this channel.